read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight.
Read and learn shine so bright. Smart kids grow with moonlight. eSchoolify series, fun and true. Learning dreams for me and you.
Welcome to eSchoolify series.
Assalamualaikum, Sayyida Maryam Naqvi here from the Moonlight International Publishers. Respected parents, how are you? I hope you all are fine. Today in the class, we taught to the students uppercase and lowercase letter Q. At home, how could you teach uppercase and lowercase letter Q? At home, we don't have any vocabulary words and objects. Take a paper, draw a quill, keep it on the table. Now let's start. Start from the dot, go round, round, round and stop. Make slant line. It will make capital Q. It will make capital Q. Start from second line, make semicircle, go up, come straight down and kick. Come straight down and kick. It will make small q. The letter name is Q. The sound of Q is qu. Quiet. Qu. Quiet. Quill. Qu, qu, qu. Quill. Qu, qu, qu. Quill. Qu, qu, qu. Quill. Qu. Queen. Qu. Quail. Qu. Question mark. Questioning. Ask why to learn the reason behind things. After that, they will visualize the story. The queen wrote important notes with her quill. One day, a quill approached her with a question mark on its book. It asked about secret of wisdom. The queen smiled and held the quill in her hand. I hope so you enjoyed today's lesson very well and same as it you will teach. मैंने आपको बताया कि हम आपके साथ अब टोटल इंग्लिश में बात कर रहे हैं कि आपकी अंडरस्टैंडिंग लेवल अब डेवलप हो चुका है. So try to speak out English with the kids. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz.